gonna show you how to make Barbie style roti. So we're gonna start by adding 2 cups of white flour. Next, we are going to add half tablespoon of baking powder. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. And we're gonna start by mixing this up. I'm gonna add some water here to finish off this dough. We're gonna knead this dough for like about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add some flour because it's getting sticky. So we're gonna take this dough out, put it on the countertop. I'm gonna start by putting some flour on this countertop. We're gonna roll it. We're gonna start by cutting through these into small circles. So here we have 7 rotis. I'm gonna now roll this out. So we're gonna start by adding the flour on the countertop. We're gonna put the roti on the countertop and start flattening this out so that it's easy to roll out. We're gonna roll this roti out. We're gonna add some ghee. This is ghee mixed with a little bit of oil. We're gonna sprinkle some flour. Slit this like this, and we're gonna start to roll it. Then we're gonna close this in with your fingers and bring this out like that. There. We're gonna plastic wrap this and leave it to soak for 2 hours. We're gonna put the roti in the flour. Put some flour on the counter. We're gonna roll this out with your hands. We're gonna roll this roti out using a rolling pin or panel net. Now we're gonna put this into the pan to fry. We're gonna flip this over and start rubbing the ghee and oil. Gonna clamp this roti now. There you have your aloo roti. So now that this roti has finished cooking, I'm gonna serve this with a little bit of chicken curry, beef curry, goat curry, chana curry, potato curry, lamb curry, mutton curry, and fish curry. So make sure you subscribe to see more videos just like this one.